In today's video, I'll show you how to enable SMB1 on Windows 10 in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, let's quickly understand what SMB1 is. SMB1 is an old file sharing feature that helps your computer connect to older devices such as legacy NAS drives, old printers, or outdated Windows systems. By default, Windows keeps it turned off because it's not very secure, so you should only enable it if you really need it. Now, let's start with the easiest method using Windows settings. Click on the Start menu and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off, then open it. A new window will appear with a list of Windows features. Scroll down until you find SMB 1.0/CIFS File Sharing Support. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the options. Here, check the box for SMB 1.0/CIFS Client. If you also want to share files from your PC with older devices, you can check SMB 1.0/CIFS Server as well. After that, click OK. Windows will apply the changes and ask you to restart your computer. Restart your PC to finish enabling SMB1. Now I'll briefly show an advanced method using PowerShell. Right-click on the Start button and choose Windows PowerShell Admin. Click Yes when asked for permission. In the PowerShell window, type the command to enable the SMB1 client and press Enter. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. One important thing to remember, SMB1 has security risks, so don't leave it enabled if you don't need it anymore. Disable it again once you're done using your older device. And that's how you enable SMB1 on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.